Hey everyone, it's Liz, and today I am coming to you from Henderson, Nevada again, at a very special place that many locals have not heard about. Such as myself, I have just recently learned about this place, and it is called the Lion Habitat Ranch. There's a great story behind this place. There's a lot of lions here. There's also various birds. And it's not really so much a zoo like you would think, but it does house a lot of lions with a great history. Most of them have the bloodline from the original MGM lion, Metro, who you would see opening up a lot of these motion picture films. So we are going to be going behind these white gates. It is open to the public. I will post a link to their website below, and get ready to see some really beautiful creatures.
These are my favorite kind of birds that we have here. They're so cool. They are native to Australia. And one of my favorite things, if you guys have seen Jurassic Park, have you seen those movies? They actually used an emu's footprint to model the Jurassic dinosaur footprint. Yeah, so they're pretty cool. They are the closest related animals to dinosaurs or birds. So you kind of just see some more resemblance between them. So they're kind of like dinosaurs in our modern day. Really?
The one turtle is sneaking out.
Oh, Spike! Spike is our most active one, I would say. Bulldog, when we're in there with him in the summer, he kind of likes to sleep. But Spike will try to cover up any piles we make and like lay over them. So he's kind of a troublemaker in his own way.
He looks like a troublemaker.
And that's actually how they fight other males for females. They try to flip each other on their backs.
Sweet Pea and Curly.
And then here we have our ostriches. These guys are native to Africa. And so they would share an environment with lions. And they are actually pretty good at defending themselves.
Look at that.
They can actually kill a lion with one kick.
Really? One kick?
Yep, if they get them right in the head, they could kill a lion. They're also the fastest land birds. They can run up to 43 miles an hour. So just about as fast as a car can go. He is one of our bigger males. You got an itch. Girl. So this is Marina, and her brother Dude is
Her brother Dude?
Yep. Dude and Marina. And Marina's our biggest female. She's a little under 400 pounds, which is pretty big for a female lion. They usually range from 300 to 400. And so standing them up is a pretty cool thing to show you guys of just how big they actually are. But it's actually great because we can get a good view of their underbelly and make sure that everything is nice and good, especially when they do have a cage mate. They do get into their arguments, so we always just gotta make sure everything's good.
Now, is he old? He seems
They both just turned 15.
Oh yeah.
And so we do consider them senior lions at the age of 15, and we'll start giving them joint supplement and stuff like that.
Look at him.
And Dude is pretty impressive. He's just over 600 pounds, which is really massive for a male lion. We do not ask him to stand up unless we absolutely need to, just because all that weight is very hard for him to move up and down. It's kind of harder on his joints. And Dude and Marina are both Barbary lions. Don't yell at me no more right now.
They're what lions?
They're Barbary lions. So we do have two species of lions here, the Barbary and South African. Barbary lions no longer exist in the wild. They used to exhibit in northern Africa. But due to us, habitat loss, encroachment, hunting, all of that stuff, they no longer exist. And so it's really cool that we still have them here to see how beautiful they are. The one up on the platform is George, and the one that's already down here is Harry. And like I said, we do have two species here, and these guys are a mixture of both. So they're half Barbary and I can't talk, I'm sorry. Half Barbary and half South African. You can see by their height and their stature of the Barbary lion, but then their manes are that short golden color.
If you saw these in the wild, I would just totally die.
I'd die if I see a bobcat.
Have people actually gotten sprayed with pee before?
Oh yeah. We have two male lions here that are very notorious for spraying.
Oh, no.
And these guys are not them. They're very nice. They're good gentlemen. You know, they don't do that. Can you show them your wings?
Oh my gosh, how cute.
Yeah.
She knows that phrase?
Yeah. So some of the birds do have cues that they learned while they were at the Las Vegas Zoo. And so we try to keep them up. Macaws are very smart. It's like having a 3-year-old for 80 to 90 years. This is our most dangerous enclosure because it does have 5 lions, so we do have to be a little more careful just to make sure we count to make sure every lion is locked up before we go in.
That's right.
Yep. He's the dad to the family next door.
He loves his food.
He does, yes.
Look at his intense stare.
Yeah, it's scary.
Oh my goodness.
Such a good dad. His brother is Bentley, the lion we first saw over where the Jeep is. They're quite opposites. He's a family man and Bentley is a long-lived bachelor. I know for lions, it's about $10,000 to feed one lion.
For how long?
For 1 year.
10,000 a year?
Yep, for one lion, and we have 27 lions.
I think Ozzy's in here. Did you know that Ozzy is a painting giraffe?
No.
Yeah, I think he has paintings, right?
Ozzy has paintings?
Yes, he does. He's quite the artist.
Huh.
He knows how to wave? Good boy. I ran out, I'm sorry.
What a great and fun experience to see all of these lions here. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. I hear a lot of roaring. Hi.
He's having a grand old time. He loves up all the time.
I was trying to come out to catch the lions roaring because I heard them from inside.
Oh, Ozzy, there you are. You want to come say hi? Hi. You got a bunch of new trees planted behind the enclosure. So you guys will each get to feed him a piece of lettuce or a cookie. So whoever wants to go first. And there's your piece of lettuce.
Hi, Ozzy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, one more.
And then if you want to get a picture with Ozzy, you could stand right here and I'll get him to stand behind you.
Right here?
So just stand like right about here. Yeah. Hi.
This is Ozzy. Where is he?
And so what does that mean? What did she have to do to sponsor her neighborhood?
So she just put money towards his care. Yeah, some of the family fighting. So that it can actually happen randomly just because someone doesn't get it. And it really helps us because So we can go ahead and discuss which line you would like to feed. Not everyone.
That is crazy.
one's a little more sassy or one is a little more?
Doesn't matter.
Sassy?
Wow.
That was crazy.
Wow.
So now we're on our way over to feed George the lion a snack, some raw meat.
So this one is Gino. That's the one you got the paw print from. And the slower you do it, the more time you get to spend with him.
Are you ready? All right, so just do it slow. Just like push it through the fence. Ooh. Okay.
Perfect. All right, second meatball.
Whoops. Okay. 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 There you go.
Their tongues have really big pushback. All right, last meatball for you.
Oh my God. Look at his face. All right, there we go. Oh,
You want to try to push that in a little bit more? Yeah, there we go.
okay.
There we go. All right, and then we can go ahead and switch out. You could just leave that $1 right in there.
Okay. Bye, George. Nice feeding you.
That's a big boy. Yeah.
I think that's some lion pee. All right, so this lion is Bentley. He lives in the enclosure by himself. He's so huge when you're right up close to him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I had so much fun at the Lion Habitat Ranch that I thought that I would come home and try to recreate the experience. Let's go. Caution, ferocious cat. Enter at your own risk. Where is the ferocious cat? Oh, I see that we're close. Looks like a hairball. And there it is. Perched upon a red leather chair. Ferocious cat looks pretty pissed off. Maybe ferocious cat would like to have some white meat chicken Tuscany. Ferocious cat, it's feeding time. All right, so while I'm waiting for ferocious cat to eat, I will ask that if you'd like to be notified anytime I publish more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment, hit the like button, or share it if you think anyone else might like to see this. And until next time, thank you again for watching.